Now let us see one more problem on the application of HCF. The greatest number that divides. Okay, so again we are talking about application of HCF. This numbers 369, 449, 689, 5009 and 729 so as to leave a remainder of 9 in each case. So in the earlier problem I gave you different remainders. Now I am giving you one same remainder. So there is one number which divides 369 giving you the remainder of 9. The same number divides 449 giving you again the remainder of 9. It divides 689 giving you the remainder of 9, and it divides 5009 to giving you the remainder of 9, which means I'll apply the previous logic. 369 minus 9, which is nothing but 360, will be completely divisible by this number, and so will be 440 completely divisible by this number, so will be 680 completely divisible by this number, and so will be 5000 completely divisible by this number. Let's take the last number here. 729 divided by this number gives the remainder of 9, and so will be 720 completely divisible by this number. So now I need one number which is HCF of all this, because I need the greatest number. So I need one number which is HCF of all this: 360, 440, 680, 5000 and 720. I just need to find this out. What will I do here? Take out 1 0 from all of them, because that's what will make my job easy. Right now I need the HCF of 36, 44, 68, 572. Okay, how will I go ahead to solve this? Can this be 18? No. Can I solve this directly? 36? No. 22? No. Let's just try and factorize this. So I'll keep this as what now? 36 is this, so I'll put this as 9 fours. This is 2 square into 3 square. This will be 11 into 2 square. This will be 68. So how can I write this now? 68 could be written as 2 into 34 into 2, but this is again 17 into 2, so 17 into 4 I can write this as, or 17 into this becomes what? 2 square. This could be written as now 500, so this is 5 into 100, 25 into 4 will be 100 into 5, so this becomes 5 square into 2 square into 5, and this is 8 into 9, so 2 cube into 3 square. That's what I get it from here. What are the distinct number that I can see it here? 2 and then 3 and then 11 and then 17 and then 5. No need to write so much, but just for your understanding I'm doing. What is the lowest power of 2? What is the lowest power of 2? As you can see it here. What is the lowest power of 2? Let's just see. Lowest power of 2 here. It is 2. Here it is 2. Here also it is 2. Here also it is 2. And here it is 3. So I can see the lowest power of 2 is 2. That is the lowest power because it is everywhere. So the lowest power of 2 is 2. What is the lowest power of 3? I don't see any 3 here. Okay, so I can assume the lowest power of 3 to be 0. Lowest power of 11, 0. Okay, because I cannot see 11 anywhere. 17, 0. Because it is there, and 5 is again be equal to 0 because it is not. The answer comes out to be 4. Okay, so 4 is that number, but that will not be my answer because I cut a 0 here, so it will be 40. That will be my final answer. So 40 is one number that will divide all these numbers and give me my final answer. That's it. 40, just divide 369 by 40, you will get the remainder as 9, and so on. Okay, so that's my answer. You could have got this 40 visually as well, but I just wanted to show you the method. That's why we went with this.